What we think, we become. Our ability to creatively develop new ideas and solutions to problems without limits or barriers drives us. Automation isn't just mechanical components driven by a PLC. Automation is more than that. It's an idea, a concept, and a solution to simplify the complex and bring visions to life. With a focus on process-driven results to maximize your profitability and ensure that every part going out of your facility meets world-class standards and exceeds expectations. That's who we are. That's what we build. For over 6 decades, Paramount Tool has been a trusted partner in the manufacturing industry, serving some of the biggest names with cutting-edge technology. Our long-standing presence is a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence, ensuring you receive the highest quality of service. We're not customer-centric. We're customer-obsessed with a passion for earning your trust and delivering results. If you're looking to automate, call us today. Our dedicated staff of application engineers will be happy to discuss your project and work with you to develop a solution. Paramount Tool, your automation experts.